Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of fake Windows Defender Security Center alerts that come from the random website. These alerts are also known as fake Windows support alerts. They quote this fake Windows support number +1 877 286 8093. But this is a fake Windows support number. You should not trust its deceptive messages. The pop-up tries to make you call this fake Windows support number. After you do that by mistake, you would hear some online hackers who stand behind these pop-ups. They try to connect to your computer remotely using TeamViewer or some other channels. And then they may infect your system even more considerably and eventually demand from you to pay money, supposedly to get it fixed. In some other cases, they may try to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. So don't trust these deceptive pop-ups, they are absolutely fake. I recommend you to carefully research your device with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin thoroughly researching and investigating your system with its help. Combo Cleaner will assist you in detecting and deleting all other threats which could remain on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.